Hi everyone, this is for anyone who wants to create an assessment that has both common set of questions that all students are going to experience and then a set of randomized questions. And so the very first thing you need to do is create 2 item banks. And so that's what I've done here in the group that I have in my resources. There's a sample item bank 1 with common questions and sample item bank 2 for randomized questions. So I have those ready to go. Then when I'm creating the assessment, I'm going to click the Add from Item Bank. I'm going to find the item banks that I created, and the sample item bank 1, I'm just going to select all 3 of these items because I want all of these to be the common questions that all students experience. Then I'm going to click Add Item Bank again, find my second item bank located in the same place, and you'll notice that there's an Add Randomized Items button here in the top right. That's what you're going to click, and then from the number of questions that you have available, you're going to tell them how many items you plan to include from there. And then you can make it worth 2 points each, add the items, click the Add 2 Items button, and you'll notice that it looks a little different. 4 and 5 are clumped together because it's going to be randomized from that item bank. And so if you preview the questions, start a new attempt, and then you skip to 4 and 5, right? Those are the 2 questions that we first had. And then if we preview it again, you can see that the questions are different. And so that is essentially how you do that.